It's said that a child gives birth to a mother. Children are a gift from heaven. The 9 months of pregnancy could be really taxing, and our bodies tend to grow from all sides. And you will discover that your body is not how it used to look before motherhood. So this video is for all you beautiful mothers out there who have given up their dreams of wearing a 2-piece bikini and looking simply incredible.
So guys, now don't worry and do enjoy your motherhood, and now you know the secret of using those stretch marks.
Here's a quick fix of a 100% natural stretch mark cream that you can use every single day. Here's what you need to do. Step number 1. Mix half cup of extra virgin olive oil, half cup of aloe vera gel, stir them together with a spoon or in a blender. Step number 2. Here's open 6 vitamin E capsules and 4 vitamin A capsules. Cut them open. Squeeze the liquid inside the capsule into the mixture. Mix again. Step number 3. Store the cream in a container and refrigerate it. To get the best results, I would recommend that you use this cream daily.
And do try this small stretch mark tip made of the most natural ingredients, and do tell me how it works.
Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being beautiful.